In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a sticky header in Framer. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will ensure you can easily create a dynamic website layout that features a sticky header for a smoother user experience. Let's dive right in. First, you want to open Framer. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and launch the application on your computer. Once you're inside Framer, the next step is to open the project you're working on. If you don't have a project open yet, this would be a great opportunity to start a new one, or select from your existing projects to continue designing. Now that you've got your project open, direct your attention to the header area on your canvas. Click on your header to select it. This is the vital component that will be turning into a sticky header, ensuring it remains visible at the top as users scroll down through the page. With your header selected, take a look at the right-hand panel. Here, you'll find all the settings and properties related to your selected element. You want to focus on the type setting options. Specifically, click on Type and select the option labeled Sticky. By doing this, you enable the header to stay put at the top as the rest of the page moves past underneath. It's a small setting, but it makes a big impact on navigation and helps with keeping essential navigation tools or branding always visible for your users. Next, let's ensure your view is set to desktop. Shift your gaze to the left side of your screen, find and click on the desktop viewing option. This is going to give you the most accurate portrayal of how the sticky header will appear on larger screens. Keep in mind that you can further adjust your design for different screen sizes once you have the basic configuration set. Once you've enabled Sticky on your header and switched to desktop mode, move over to the right panel again. Scroll down to the overflow settings. Here, you need to make sure that overflow is set to visible. This ensures that the entire header content is fully visible and not clipped off as it hovers over your site content. This setting is crucial for maintaining visual continuity and functionality. Now, with everything set up, the final thing to do is click on the Preview button. Doing this allows you to see your project in action. Check how the sticky header behaves as you scroll. The smooth transition effect should be evident now. That's really all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently set up a sticky header in Framer, enhancing the navigation experience on your website. Thanks for watching and happy designing.